What's up everybody, Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and today I'm going to be installing an awesome new product from CupHolderHero. Now what it is it's going to be cup holder liners, inner pocket liners, glove box liners, the whole thing. It's one big set, and we're going to put it in here. It's going to make everything cleaner, more organized, and have some slip resistance to it. So let's take a look and see what we're working with. Alright, here is the package I got from CupHolderHero. Now this set is for the 2011 to 2017 Wrangler, as you see there, and it's all color coordinated to match the graphics on the Jeep. So what it is it's a bunch of these nice little liners that goes in every pocket, every cup holder, every glove box, everywhere in the Jeep. So first things first, I'm going to take my cell phone and I'm going to scan this barcode for the instructions, and then I got to go inside and clean out the Jeep. Now, I don't know about you, but my Jeep is full of stuff. I got more change than cups in the cup holder. I've got all kinds of stuff down here in this pocket. I got a flashlight, a bunch of paperwork, a bottle of lavender oil because that keeps mosquitoes away. But it's filthy, it's dirty, it's just packed full of stuff. I mean, in the center console, man, I don't even know the last time I looked in here, but it is full to the brim with just junk. So I'm gonna get all of this cleaned out and get ready to install the CupHolderHero liners. The CupHolderHero liners cover everything from the cup holders to the small little areas, glove boxes, even the door handle pockets. So I've got some cleaning to do. Let's get started. Scanned the barcode that is on the CupHolderHero packaging, and it takes me to the installation site. As you can see, it talks about all the different locations that all these pieces are going to go, and it's everything from the cup holders all the way to the door channels. So we're just going to go ahead and start putting them in. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull out these little plastic pieces that sit in the existing spot, like this one here underneath the e-brake. Going to get your finger underneath it and pull up. And that guy's going to pop right out. So the CupHolderHero part is going to go where this used to go. All right, let's take a look and see what we've got. you will notice it will come with a little bit of 3M double-sided tape, and that is going to be for a couple of these. I just haven't figured out which ones it fits yet. Now we can go ahead and start putting these in. Alright guys, there you have it. That wraps up the quick and easy install of the CupHolderHero interior liner and cup holder kit. Now I'm going to put some links down below on where you can get a hold of all of the CupHolderHero products. They make them for a wide range of make and models, so check it out below. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. And that's it for now. So for Bold Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.